Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to share with you the container garden that I made. So this is in our front of our doorsteps, and I really like the color combination that I use in here. Let's start from the top. So both sides, I only planted 2 flowers. I have the alyssum and then the calla lily. Same here. Now let's go see the other containers. So in here I have used 3 types of flowers. So this pillar will be the alyssum, and then we have the petunia right there looking so gorgeous, and then the calla lily. This is my favorite one. And then in here I only put the petunia, and soon the calla lily will grow as well, right there in the middle. Over here, these 2 containers, I have the alyssum, petunia, and then the calla lily. I have some damage in here, but it's okay. I'll outgrow it. Right here in the bottom, we have the creeping Jenny, and then the petunia, and same with the other side here. And I think it looks so beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below, and please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.